This is what the neighbors call, they say this is where the forge was for this farm. And this trail here could be, I don't know, 150 years old or something. It's at least from the 1870s, if not before. This area was opened up in about 1818. So I came in to try and open it up enough to get some sort of vehicle through, and it looks like I may have to do a little more work, get some of these stumps a little lower, and some of these branches a little bit higher. Oops, it just dripped on my camera. But here, this is such a neat vista, or if you want to call it that. Just brings back, I don't know, some forgotten trail through the forests of our youth or something like that. I don't know, something poetic. Here's the quiet of the forest. This is where the trail continues on. I've cleared here and there. It goes up to the Moose River Lagan Road. Spooky old forest here. Oh, here's signs of a forest denizen. And then there's the trail back down towards the farm.